Custom crankbait tent, boys.
Water is freezing. There you go, Paul.
Nothing big. Relax. I knew I was gonna get one out there. Relax. Bang, bang, guys. I'm telling y'all, it does work. It does work. Hope I got that on camera. Keep it on trucking out there, boy.
There's one. That's a good one, guys. Oh, shit. Oh, I missed him. Oh, we got him still.
Whoa, guys, that was holy shit. Wow. I knew right when I was gonna flip him up here, guys, I knew that was a bad situation because I'll show you. But Paul, wow, I'm glad I caught this mother. That's you, boy. If I had a GoPro on, y'all would have been laughing at me on that catch. But the biggest one so far on the crank on this one. But they're just gonna keep getting bigger. I know that, y'all. That's a good fish. I'm definitely gonna post this video up just for Paul. Show him I'm out here doing work with his stuff. Woo! I'm stoked. I'm excited, man. Gosh, I almost lost him. Lost her. On that crank. Get something for a picture. Bang. Let's go. Let's get that release. Well, note to self, I didn't think I was going to be able to get down there, guys. I definitely did not think I was going to be able to get down there. But when that fish came off and flopped himself right on the bank, I had to go down there. That's what I was working with down there. So I'm up here. I mean, guys, look at this. So it was sketchy for sure. That might have not been the best catch of the year on that crank for you. But that's how I do it. I get them in. Woo! Let's keep it trucking. Let's keep it going. Make a 15-minute video and let's go.